Hi friends, I'm Simi Mila, a culinary specialist and your host of Extra Sweet. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super epic, super cute, way easier than it actually looks honeycomb cake. I've got 3 cake layers that I baked the other day, kept them in the freezer just for when I need them. I personally like to work with cake layers when they're frozen. You can definitely use any flavor you want. We're just going to put a little dollop of my yellow buttercream right here in the center just to hold my cake layer. The piping here for this cake in particular is not important. This is just to fill up space and to act as a glue. And this frosting in particular for this style of cake is a buttercream because you really need that butter to solidify in the fridge after you make your honeycomb texture so that you can peel the wrap off really smooth. And I put this one on upside down just so I can guarantee to have a flat surface up here. So I'm just smearing all of this yellow frosting across the side and I'm making a crumb coat, and it just helps attach all of the loose crumbs. But this is kind of all you need for your crumb coat. So I'm gonna take this, pop it in the fridge for a couple minutes to harden this onto the cake, and we'll come back and add more. So this is chilled for about 5 or 10 minutes now, and you can see now that I'm touching the crumb coat, nothing's coming off, which means our butter has hardened and this is dried out just enough for me to add my second layer of frosting. Have the second layer of frosting on this bad boy. He doesn't look super perfect, and again, that's totally okay, and I will show you why. Bubble wrap. I'm just gonna show you how, ooh, sorry, it's okay, it doesn't matter. This cake is all for me anyway. Again, I'm gonna show you how to wrap this all the way around so you know where to cut. And it looks like I am sitting right here at this line. Now that we have our bubble wrap cut out into the nice perfect size we need, I'm gonna spray it with a little cooking spray just as an extra insurance. As I'm pressing the frosting between the bubbles, you can kind of see why not having a super smooth surface right off the bat doesn't really matter. And another cool thing I like to do is if you just kind of press it and create some texture like that, kind of makes a cool outcome at the end. Oh, this is gonna be so cool, you guys. I'm so excited. Peeling this is like one of the most satisfying things ever. And just like with our crumb coat, I'm gonna put this back in the fridge to chill for a little bit for our butter to harden up, and then we're gonna peel all the bubble wrap off and continue decorating. So this bad boy has been chilling in the fridge for about 10, maybe 15 minutes now. The butter from my frosting is hardened. So now all I have to do is take my bubble wrap off and reveal this super cute honeycomb texture. So I'm gonna add some really cute sugar bumblebees and sugar flowers all over this cake just to give it more of a springtime bumblebee feel. And ta-da! I have for you this super cute honeycomb cake that you guys watch me make through and through, and you guys can take this to your next party that is BYOB. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys next time.